yabona ukuthi kukhipha bani minus 5 over 18. So uthi therefore the angle P angle AM is not equal to 90 degrees. Then ayiyona 90 ngempela because i-product yama lines lawa is not equal to 90 degrees, is not equal to -1. I-reason ithini? M PA, okay, gradient ka PA multiplied by gradient ka bani ka AM is not equal to -1. Nakho yona answer yethu le akulingani no-1. That's why ingesiyena u-90. Then I hope iyabonakala. Then 1.80 ke la kwenzeke mistake. Calculate i-area ka triangle MPT. MPT uphi? Triangle MPT. So ufuna i-area khona MPT. Nayi le triangle sifuna i-area khona. Then ke kumele ukhumbule ukuthi akhona amafomula e-area ngemuva. Amafomula e-area. Okay, since kunjani ke la ngisu 90. U90 degrees la sithole ku90. Then le angle engapha ubani nayo u90 degrees. Yes, angithi angle on a straight line angithi vele lawo. Then u90 degrees ngapha kuyithola. Shuthi ke sicalculate kanjani area ye right angle triangle? Sithi shuthi area le angle area of triangle MPT is equal to half base multiplied by height. I general formula yakhona le multiplied by height. Makuyi right angle only wenza kanje. If ungesi right angle usebenzisa ke iformula engemuva calculate i-area. Then yeah, leyo formula esibenzayo. Lena multiplier ama side, then mesithi sine of the included angle. Then yeah, multiply ama side, multiply no half. Then yona formula. Then kusho ukuthi ke kuzoba kanjani ke. Then sekumele sithole thina i-length, i-base phela ne-height ine length yakhona, sifaka ama length akhona la. Since i-right angle triangle yona isona sikhathi sikwazi ukusebenzisa le formula le because kusekune base ne-height, i-height perpendicular height. Then okuyi-height yethu ke ilena ke base sothi iphi. Uthanda i-base ungasho ukuthi ile, then i-height kube yiyo le because yona triangle yethu le. Triangle yethu singasho ukuthi base le, then i-height yethu ilena siwa ku90 vele, or kube i-height kube i-base. Kodwa ukwazi ukuza kuleli hypotenuse side. Then kusho ukuthi kumele sithole i-length ka MT neka bani neka TP. MT and TP. MT and TP. I-length ka MT, okay, okay, bafuna i-gradient la ka MT. Yes MT. Kodwa sine length ka bani sina? Sine length ka AM, yabo? Basibuza i-length ka AM. Nangi length ka AM. Since lokho i-midpoint, shuthi upha nendawo, shuthi usuka la uza ngapha, kalingana ukusuka la uza la. Sithi bathe uyini uyi-midpoint. Kusho ukuthi ke ukuze sithole leli ngapha, since iphelele iwubani 2√3, shuthi ukuze sithole iphathi ngapha, so divide ngo2 lokho. Then shuthi ke must divide the length by 2 izobani √13. √13 units. Or sibale futhi sibale sithini x2 minus x1 minus 1 minus 2 all squared plus y2 minus 1 minus 1. Yabona ukuthi √13 ilength la. Then sisithi yakwa PT sithi minus 1 minus 2 all squared plus 11 over 2 minus 1. Yona length yethu ke le. Then 3 over 2 √13. Yes. yeah i-length kabani units ekabani eka TP because ile i-base ne-height. Then si-substitute ke la 1/2 root 13 multiplied by 3/2. Then siza multiply ke la ukuthi kuzobani. Then because la multiply vele so thi multiplied by root 13 multiplied by 1/2. Then naye i-answer yethu ephumayo 9.75 units squared. Angithi squared because bese mathi error ngithi ithi iba squared la i-unit yakhona iba makwama meters kuba meter squared because multiply ini unit yala ne-unit la iyafana. Then uma multiply ifana ke then kuba squared because kuba meter times meter ku meter squared. That's why ku unit squared, unit multiplied by unit squared. Then if beku 3 ama length bekuzoba unit cube kanjalo. Then yeah siyabonga kakhulu bekuyiyona question ebesiyenza.